Hey everyone, let's talk about dedication. The most decent thing a teacher does often happens when no one is watching. They are spend many hours crafting a lesson plan. For us, it's not just about schedule. It's a map carefully drawn just for you. It's our commitment to fairness, making sure that everyone gets the foundational knowledge they need. It is also our artistic touch, finding that perfect activity to make a tough subject leap. Every teacher, just like me as a future educator, knows that great teaching starts with a great preparation. Now, let's think about demo teaching. That's a teacher practicing, refining, and making sure that when they present the material, it is clear, engaging, and inspiring. They're perfecting their delivery so that you, the student, can spend less time struggling and more time learning and succeeding. They are showing you that mastery in any field requires practice and precision. But here is the most profound and decent act of all. What a teacher watches you do. They aren't just watching for correct answers, they are watching for that moment when the light bulb goes on. When you finally grasp a complex idea, they are watching the incredible generosity you show. They are watching your confidence grow when you present your project, even if your voice is shaking a little. They watch you not to judge, but to celebrate your journey. They see the struggle, the effort, and the eventual triumph. So, let that sink in. Your teachers are doing the decent, honorable work of preparation so that you can feel confident, supported, and ready to learn. In return, they are watching you become the incredible, capable person they knew you are meant to be. Keep working hard, keep being brave, and remember that there is always someone in your corner, meticulously prepared for your success. You've got this. Paalam.